Unlock the lock and remove the lock attachment screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Lift the lock off the lower sash meeting rail. Raise the lower sash 3 to 4 inches. Slide the tilt latches in toward the center of the sash and pull the top of the sash to the interior. It is recommended to place a cloth barrier between the sash and the window trim to protect it when the lower sash is tilted completely down. Loosen and remove the keeper attachment screws. Remove the keeper. Position the replacement keeper with the slots aligned and centered over the screw holes. Make sure the flat side of the keeper is against the window. Attach the keeper using Phillips head screws. Be careful not to over-tighten the screws. Tilt the lower sash upright and lower the sash. Position the lock on the lower sash check rail and align the lock screw holes with the holes in the rail. Insert and tighten the screws. Be careful not to over-tighten the screws. Lock the window.